In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to easily unmute people on the Threads app and regain access to their posts and updates. Whether you accidentally muted someone or simply want to re-engage with their content, I will show you how to unmute people on the Threads app. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Threads app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, tap on these lines at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap Privacy. And then tap Muted. So now you will be able to see all of the people that you've muted on the Threads app. If you want to unmute someone, simply tap on the unmute button next to them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.